Hi, I'm James from Val Wyatt Marine. Today I want to show you around this fantastic Interboat Intender 820. It's a really high spec model. What I'm going to do in a minute, we're going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you some of the particular features on this one because there's a lot to offer. So as well as the features on the boat, it's a little about talking to you about the lifestyle that these boats offer. And unfortunately enough, I do get to enjoy that myself sometimes, so I can talk to you about my experiences. That's the view forward, so you can imagine there's plenty of space there for quite a big group. The table does open out, so if you actually want to stop and have something to eat, that is a really nice dining space, and this boat's got the optional armrest there with cup holders in, so that works well. Port side, you've got this lovely sink, which is really useful, freshwater sink, storage underneath there. Quick view, we're actually up the River Loddon. This is one of the places you can take your 820. And on the other side, you've got a fridge over there. Okay, now having used one of these boats, that's also a really good place to get all your drinks ready. So you can have all your bottles and your glasses and so on up there. Great place to make your drinks, then you can pass them around to the rest of your group. This particular boat has a very rare extra. You've got a 240 outlet there. And the boat is fitted with an inverter. I'm just going to show you the controller for that. So down there, that has a built-in battery charger and inverter, and the boat has shore power. So if you're in a position where you have shore power, that'll charge the batteries, and what the inverter does is convert the 12-volt power from the boat's batteries through to 240 so that you could use something like an espresso machine or a low-powered kettle. Coming around aft, Jamie's at the helm today. We've got a champagne bucket that can be mounted on the side deck over there. This particular boat is fitted with a luxury engine box. What that does, as well as being slightly larger, so it's another useful sort of picnicking space, but it also gives you extra gauges on the boat. So rather than just having the standard rev counter, you've got oil pressure, water temperature, volts, fuel, rudder position, and this boat's also got a bow thruster. So it's very easy to manoeuvre even if you're a first-time boater. Up in the bow, I'm not going to take you in there right now, but I will drop in a picture. These two cushions remove, and then you have got a toilet. It's a pump flush toilet to a holding tank, so that's really useful if you're something like regatta and you're moored up there. You don't have to worry about the toilet. Up on the bow, you've got an anchor locker. This particular boat's fitted with an optional synthetic teak all the way around. And one of the lovely things to do with these boats is to drop anchor in a quiet location away from the channel, and then you can spend all afternoon on here chilling out. If you've got children, they can get off the back with paddle boards and so on. So that's a great place to be. I guess the final thing to mention, all 820s have this, but it's really a massive selling point when you're on the boat, is this lovely bench transom at the back. So you can have 2 or 3 people sat there, the rest of your crowd sat here, and while you're underway, it's a really social place to be. If it's a particularly hot sunny day, you've got a bimini there, so that will come forward towards me and provide shade over the helm position. Or if you do get caught out in one of those unexpected storms, it also gives you a bit of shower protection. So we'll round up the video there. There's a couple of things that I thought of now Jamie's handed the helm back to me. This particular boat is fitted with a luxury steering wheel. It's a little bit bigger, it's beautiful wood, and it's got the handholds on the back of it. It's incredibly relaxing, and it just sits nicely if you're in this corner. This boat also has the benefit of the infill cushion, so you can take the table out and drop that whole area into a sunbed. This particular boat is available right now. It's at our Wargrave Marina. If you do want to come and see it, please do get in touch.